Come on, man, give me a dime. I got fiends for flavors of beats and rhyme. I'm on the high seas, it's the pirate with the musket at your head and I'll fire it. It's the return of the red beard, and Polly don't want a cracker. I'm gonna make you back up with the wind in the sail. Destination onto the tempo, where the boom lies in the memdo. Outlaws riding beside me, I see a ship on the horizon. Coming up and I'm realizing it's time for another uprising. I'm in this attack by surprise, and the vast mates fire up the cannon right on the enemy's vessel. It's learning. Look at all these ships sinking low and going down with the captain that's going under. Let no man put us under, when me and my ships rolling like thunder. Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Still on the high seas, smelling that salt of the ocean breeze, feeling that heat of the sun on my face with a yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. When you see my flag in the distance, you better run and call for assistance, cause we're coming on the pillage, killing all the men and taking all the gold and the riches in the village. Pull up the anchor, swap with the bounty, heading for the east where my enemies hound me. They wanna hang me for high treason and chivalry, and for many other reasons. Wanted dead and handsome reward for any motherfucker who delivers my head. Shiver me timbers, I'll burn your bloody ass to a cinder, so all you motherfuckers remember. Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. I've been away from home on the seven seas, or wherever I roam. Blackbeard taking you down to the galley. How does it feel with my sword in your belly? You can face the cold shank or get blind funky when I'm making you walk the plank. Standing over the edge in the dark, feed his bloody ass to the goddamn shark. The sound of a neck bone snapping is what you're in for when you're on your way to the sea floor. 16 men on a dead man's chest, I killed them fools and I'll kill the rest. I am what I am, and I'm not a landlubber. When you hear the musket, you all take over. Fire 1, fire 2, fire 3, don't ever forget about me, cause I'm the Ghost Rider on the storm, keeping the cannons warm.